Hello, in this video I want to show you a few tips on how to take care of a battery in the Motorola Moto X40. To do this, we need to open our settings, locate the battery options, and now first thing I would do is use different adaptive battery settings, so enable them like that, and this will teach your phone on how you're using and spending battery, which should improve overall time life of a battery. Next thing is charge boost. I would turn it off and never use it if you want to make your battery life easier. And the next thing is overcharge protection. If you enable it, sometimes your battery won't charge over 80%, and this also helps your battery. And the last tip is to try to keep your phone always charged, never discharge it to zero, as it damages battery always. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.